Hello, Pauric here, Mc Nally Motors. Today I want to show you around our 2013 Toyota Corolla. This is the 1.4 diesel Luna model with a low annual road tax, just €270. It's taxed up until November 2020 and NC until June 2021. The car has a full service history here at Mc Nally Motors. It's sold a 12 months warranty and roadside assistance, and the car is finished in an ash grey metallic paint. Now we'll take a look at some of the features the car has to offer. It's got front fog lights as standard. It's got the 16-inch multi-spoke Toyota alloy wheel with good tyres all around. It's got very clean bodywork, as you can see. It's got a nice sized spacious boot with fold-down seats for additional space. It's got plenty of legroom in the back. It's got centre armrest with cup holders. The Isofix on both sides for the car seats. And the car has just been fully valeted also. It's got front and rear electric windows. It's got electric fold-in mirrors. Multifunctional steering wheel, built-in phone controls and radio controls. It's got the radio with built-in CD player and Bluetooth. It's got the air conditioning, USB and aux port, manual handbrake, 6-speed manual gearbox. There's just over 136,000 kilometers on the clock, and it's finished in a black and grey cloth interior with centre armrest also. At Mc Nally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options for this car from as little as €32 per week. So please give me a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie, where you can view this car and you can also book a test drive. Thanks very much.